YouTube? Hello, YouTube?
YouTube, what's up? This is Sane, and I'm back again with the next video of my gaming space upgrade series. And guess what? I purchased a desk. So yes, purchased a new desk. You will recall in the previous video, one of the items I'd planned to acquire was a desk. Well, after some searching, plentiful research, I selected one, I swiped my card, and I'm 100% happy. It was pricey, but I'm happy with the purchase. Stick around to watch the setup. It's worth it. It completely transformed the gaming space. Let's go. So, looking at the previous space, I had a desk and a gaming chair that I had bought at Macro, a PS5 connected to a Dell G3223Q, it's a 4K monitor. I had the Elgato Wave DX dynamic mic. And then in the previous one, I upgraded the setup with a Net 1 ergonomic chair from Ergotherapy. There was also the Elgato Key Light Mini, which I installed, and then the Elgato Wave Mic Arm. I was unable to install the mic arm due to the build of the desk, so the space required under the desk to allow for the screw-on mount, it was insufficient due to the shelf design of this desk. So obviously, because of the shelf, it's got a bottom part. The mount doesn't fit, so I have not been able to use the Wave Mic Arm. I'll only be getting to install it on this new desk, and looking forward to that. After waiting about a week and a half from purchase, the desk finally arrived. Not their promised delivery time, but I was informed that there were some delays experienced at their factory. Who are they, you may be wondering? It's DeskStand. DeskStand. Pretty sure some of y'all have heard of it. If you haven't, DeskStand is a proudly South African endeavor started by a fellow South African for medical reasons tied to lower back pain. So what was the fix? A range of items which promote working standing as a means to break the several hours which many of us spend sitting at the office. Every single day, 9 to 5, sitting at your desk. This is the problem. This is what he was trying to fix. So out of the numerous options of desk, I decided on the TekDesk 2.0. Yes, this is one of those standing desks you see in numerous YouTube videos. I just had to get one. How could you not? I mean, everybody that is a tech somebody has one. I couldn't resist. The TekDesk is highly adjustable, so it's great for sitting or standing, featuring 3 memory presets, fully adjustable by you. Along with this is a one-touch height adjustment button. So naturally, if you want to improve your posture, you need a standing desk. It has high-strength steel legs with a folding leg design. It's easy to transport and set up. Even though I'm struggling here with the setup, as you can see, it is a relatively easy setup, which poses minimal challenges. Note I said minimal, which in no way means none, but I do mean minimum. I did face a challenge here and there, however, they were easily overcome. It's a DIY setup, which I feel most can accomplish without self-destructing. The manual states 15 minutes setup. It took me way longer than 15 minutes, but honestly, I think the time they have on there is for someone that has assembled it before. It took me about an hour, but I do feel it can be done quicker. I just happen to be one of those that read and overread instructions. I just believe in attempting to do it right the first time or don't do it at all. So the setup took about an hour, and once it was up, oh my god, I had completely transformed my space. I love it, dude. What a desk. I mean, coming from this, look at this, remember this, to this. Amazing. Come on, what an upgrade. Right? No? I'm in love, guys. I love this. It completely transformed the space. But the cables, they're so messy. This is definitely a new challenge unlocked. I need to fix that somehow. It looks terrible. It's a beautiful desk, but the cables underneath is a complete mess. Back to the table. So after about 2 weeks of usage, I would highly recommend this desk. It comes with a 6-year frame warranty. They will repair it should you experience a failure, a fault, or a defect within 6 years. They also offer a 3-year warranty on both motors. It's a well-built desk. I don't think I'll ever need that warranty, but it's there, right? It's there to make me feel safe, secure, and that I bought a good product, and if should anything happen, they got my back. So this is the table. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also happy to get suggestions, other things that you think I should get, throw it in the comments. If I can afford it, I'm getting it. If it makes sense, I'm getting it. Looking forward to see your suggestions. In the next video, I will be sorting out the cable catastrophe because this is a mess, but I'm going to sort it out in the next video. I'll be doing some research, looking at a number of products that can help me solve this problem. Cables are the bane of my existence. When you have many, they twist, they wrap around each other, magically create knots, don't know how, and overall just become a nightmare. So this will be a great task to get right. I'll also be looking at mounting the monitor for more flexibility. Currently, when I play F1, I pick up the monitor and I move it to the front of the desk. I do this because I sit pretty low in the racing chair and I want the screen in front of the steering wheel for greater immersion. So I'll be looking for a high quality arm that can carry a 32-inch screen with relative ease and that has numerous options for movement like up and down, left and right, swivel, rotation, and so on and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm looking for a really good monitor arm, so I'll be looking at a number of options. By now, I'm pretty sure you would have noticed the monitorizer. This didn't come with the desk, I also acquired it from DeskStand. There was a time when I would use textbooks to rise the monitor, so this is another welcome upgrade for me. At just over 1 meter wide, I found it a perfect fit for my desk and my 32-inch monitor. This is another ergonomic addition to get the screen to eye level. This reduces neck and back strain. It is made from extremely strong 18mm Baltic birch plywood, and according to DeskStand, it can hold up to 70 kilograms. Then the mic arm, which is finally in use, I think it looks amazing on this desk. It has a slick design, those simple hard lines are beautiful. I cannot wait for the many uses I'm going to put it through. I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you getting this far. I will be working on the next video, so keep a lookout for it. The journey continues. Sane checking out. Cheers.